Today we will learn how to write the hiragana character E. E is a simple character with only 2 strokes. The first stroke begins with the brush pointed out into the top left, bringing your brush down in one long stroke that curves to the bottom. As you exit the stroke, bring your brush back up, leaving a small point pointing up. The second stroke is a shorter stroke than the first, beginning just below the first stroke, bringing your brush down and increasing the thickness of the line until you finish and exit the stroke. You should think of the first and the second stroke as being connected. As you lift the brush from the first stroke and bring it down to begin the second stroke, think of them as being connected. The second stroke should be shorter than the first.